Well, hello everyone, it's Chandler South, broker owner of Florida Live Team Realty. Welcome to the stellar model down in Englewood, Florida. It's going to be 3-bedroom, 4-bath, plus a dedicated office, a stunning custom pool. Let's go inside and take a look. About 2,500 square feet under air, single entry front door. Let's go take a look. The first thing I notice is a dedicated office right towards the front. Absolutely beautiful. Turning back around. Across the hall, you'll have your first guest bedroom with ensuite bath. So here's our guest bedroom right over here. One thing I like is all the windows, brings in plenty of natural light. Turning around for you guys. Another view of the bedroom. Here is your ensuite bathroom. Single vanity, walk-in tiled shower, tile all the way to the ceiling. Going into the main floor plan. Here is your living space. Chef kitchen. This is a gas community, so you do have your gas cooktop, upgraded kitchen and appliance package. Right over here, you do have your bar fridge. Turning back around. Pantry. Another view of the kitchen. Dining space. This model also has the upgraded zero edge infinity sliders, so your whole corner pretty much pockets and opens up to the outside. And going outside right over here, view of your custom pool, spa, saltwater pool, sun shelf. Turning back around. Another view of the outdoor entertaining section. Let's go over to the owner bedroom towards the back. Here's your owner bedroom. Love the ceiling detail. Again, 3 big windows brings in plenty of natural light, also overlooking the pool. Going into your bathroom. Double vanities right over here. Custom walk-in closet. Turning back around. Another view of your walk-in tiled shower. Going into the bedroom again. And again, here's a view of our last bathroom, which will be right off the pool. Again, full pool bath. Another view of the main living section. If you want any more details on this model, definitely give me a call at 941-303-9575 or visit my website, liveplayflorida.com.